Samsung is once again pushing its mid-range lineup into the spotlight, and this time the battle is between the upcoming Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37. Even before their official announcement, both smartphones have already surfaced in real-world unboxing videos from Thailand, giving us a clear early look at what Samsung is about to deliver. At first glance, the Galaxy A57 and A37 look almost identical. Samsung seems to be sticking with a familiar design language, as both phones closely resemble their predecessors, the Galaxy A56 and A36. The build appears premium with a clean finish, and both devices feature a triple camera setup on the back. However, despite the similar appearance, the real differences lie under the hood. Starting with the Galaxy A57, Samsung is clearly positioning it as the more advanced option. One of its standout features is the introduction of AI voice recognition, something that has never been seen before in the Galaxy A series. This could be a major shift, as Samsung begins bringing its Galaxy AI capabilities to more affordable devices. According to leaks, the A57 will support several new AI features, making it smarter and more responsive in daily use. In terms of design, the Galaxy A57 is also impressively slim and lightweight. It is expected to come with a thickness of just 6.9 mm and weigh around 179 grams. Samsung is even promoting it as one of the thinnest and lightest devices in the A series. However, this claim is slightly questionable considering older Galaxy A models from years ago were even thinner and lighter. The A57 also gets a notable upgrade in cooling, featuring a larger vapor chamber compared to the previous A55 and A56. This suggests better thermal performance, especially during gaming or heavy usage. On the camera side, it includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 123-degree field of view, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. However, there is no telephoto lens, which might disappoint some users. On the other hand, the Galaxy A37 appears to be a more budget-friendly alternative. While it shares the same overall design and triple camera layout, it is expected to come with slightly toned-down specifications. Samsung is clearly keeping the A37 simple, focusing on delivering a balanced experience rather than pushing advanced features like AI. Both devices are expected to run on One UI 8.5 based on Android 16, ensuring a modern and smooth software experience. Pricing for both phones has already been spotted on retail display units in Thailand, and the numbers suggest that Samsung is keeping its pricing strategy consistent. As for the launch, rumors strongly point toward an early April release, meaning the official announcement is just around the corner. The Galaxy A37 is expected to come at a lower mid-range price, while the Galaxy A57 will sit slightly higher due to its added AI features and upgrades, likely making it the more premium choice in this lineup.